Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm finally starting my album series, and this week we are taking it back to 2003, entering the revenge era. This is mostly inspired by the 3 Cheers for Sweet Revenge album, which is by My Chemical Romance. This was their first legitimate studio album to ever come out and kind of launched their career into infinity. So this look was mostly inspired by the dark theatricality of the album, along with some of the members' personal looks. So if you guys want to see how I got it, please keep watching. You guys can already see that I've got my foundation and stuff done. If you want to see how I did that, you can go back to a previous video. Going straight into it, we're taking the Maybelline Master Prime Eye Primer, putting that all over the lids and a little above because this look is gonna get wild. You guys know the drill. Maybelline's Color Tattoo in 05, too cool, all over the lids and everywhere that I applied that primer. Taking this white eyeshadow from Maiden. This is their eye shimmer in Dancing Waters. This is going everywhere on the lid. And then up in the crease, we're taking our Sephora shadow in Blonde Surfer and putting that in the crease to serve as a transition shade. Taking NYX's Primal Colors in Hot Red. Total disclaimer, you are not supposed to put pigments like this around your eyes. I'm a dumb YouTuber, so what do I know? If it starts getting irritating, stop it immediately, take it off. Put this all over our eyelid. I found out that it works better if you wet it first. It's more pigmented. Taking the Profusion palette, the Glitterazzi Journal in Crimson and Slate. This is a really good palette for this look. We're taking the burgundy color and going on the inner corner and outer corner. This may seem strange, but I know what I'm doing for this look. We're going halfway in, so that way there's a bright red strip down the middle of our eye, and we're going to take that slate gray color, only a little bit of it, and put it on the outer edges. Now there's going to be a ton of fallout, so take a basic, fluffy brush, make sure it's clean, nothing on it, so you don't get like a black strip across your face. Been there, done that. It's not fun to wipe off and redo again. And just sweep that off your face really quickly. Our eyes are going to look kind of messy for a little bit. It's okay, that's kind of the look we're going for, but we can clean it up. If you want to do it smaller, then do it smaller. Mine was a little less contained. Taking my e.l.f. cream liner in black. This is eyeliner, top and bottom liner with this. Doing this really thick because we want the early 2000s thick overdone liner look. On the bottom we want the heavy liner to kind of help with the added dramatic effect. Not doing a wing for this look because, wings weren't a thing in the early 2000s. The Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper, and we're going to make a little cross on what would be my left lid because it doesn't lift all the way, so it's an easier canvas, and going over top that eyeliner I had on just to seal it in really well. For my lips, I am taking ColourPop's Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick. God, that was a mouthful, in LAX, and putting this all over my lips. I really like this formula. It's super pigmented. It's not really transfer proof, but it works in a pinch. I didn't want to go for the black lipstick because that's been there, done that before, and I just couldn't find mine. So we're doing this to kind of tie it with the red eye look. And that's really it for this look. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys want to follow me anywhere else on social media, my links are down below: Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Facebook.com/IVeTheNightArt. If you guys want to subscribe down below, please do, and also hit the like button while you're down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!